Excellent work. Tell me everything very gently.
They're hiding in an underground lab near the outskirts of the city.
Perfect. This is exactly what we are waiting for. We need to move quickly. Prepare for the extraction. We are going to take away the vibranium from the lab.
Okay, sir.
What the heck is going on? Come on guys, let's go. Damn, it's worse than we have thought. The city is under attack.
Everything is being destroyed. This is very worse.
Alright, fellows, let's get into the action. Our powers aren't for decoration. Let's kick some villainious.
We can't just dive in head first. We need a plan, or we'll be crushed before we even started. Let's not make our last chance our biggest mistake.
Alright, fellas, to the lab. Time to see what dogs cook up in our genius lab.
Hey dog, any update on the situation going outside?
You guys are just in time. Take a look at this. They're destroying everything.
Who is behind this?
Vorak. They're not targeting the city. They're after something specific. What do you mean? Vibranium. The one we've been protecting for years, and they're here to take it away. So, what we are going to do?
We have something that can help us. It's time to use it. Our element can cause lot of damage, but to use it effectively, we need to send out a special kind of energy that will mess up the enemy's technology and their bases over there.
So we have to do some powerful blast so that the defense will get weakened.
Exactly, Vayu, but that's just a start. We need to capitalize them as per plans.
I can help you with that. We can use the energy blast to create distraction so our team can sneak in without being seen.
Great idea, dog. By this plan, we can catch them off.
So, it's a plan with different parts. We'll hit it fast and hard.
Exactly, guys. We want to stop their forces and get the control of the situation as soon as possible.
Well done, buddy. Let's go.
Get the hell out of my way, or prepare for the disappointment.
Sorry, but we are closed today. You better pack it up and get out of here before things get messy.
Does this babbling animal fix for you, or do you have anything?
Definitely not. I'm more than one man show. And by the way, trespassing isn't reality.
Get the hell out of here. Earth is not taking villains' reservations today.
Enough of this. Bring me the vibranium. Don't fail me.
Alright, guys, it's time to suit up. and secure the vibranium.
What about you? Will you able to stop Vorak? We have to move vibranium from here.
Alright. I've taken the vibranium, let's go. Kabir, Borax heart emits a certain energy signature. When vibranium comes contact with it, it will drain his strength.
That means I have to destroy its reactor. And I'll do it.
We have to open the portal and take the vibranium somewhere else.
Now this is the right time to use vibranium, Dr. Nika, and right place also.
Not yet. I'm not gonna go anywhere without taking vibranium.
You guys stay away from him. I'll handle him. Okay?
Is he dead?
He's not going to die that easy. He's gonna die for what he has came for. Dr. Nika, please give me the vibranium.